Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make handmade earrings, only way. Start by setting up a clean workspace and laying out pliers, wire cutters, and beads. Pick wire thickness that matches your design and test jump rings before soldering. Keep small parts in labeled containers and use a magnifier for precision work. Work slowly when forming loops to maintain shape and strength, and always finish with proper ear back placement. In this video, I will show how to make handmade earrings, only way. Begin with wire wrapping basics and practice making neat wraps with headpins and eye-pins. Create ear wires by measuring and shaping consistent curves, then refine with files to remove sharp edges. Assemble dangles by linking components with tight closed loops, and test movement to ensure balance. Keep practicing each step until your pieces look intentional and clean. In this video, I will show how to make handmade earrings, only way. Start your design by sketching proportions and choosing materials that suit the style, like delicate chains or chunky beads. Consider earring length relative to weight to keep comfort top priority, and test prototypes on a model or yourself. Add finishing touches like ear backs and seals, and photograph pieces for listings with consistent lighting and neutral backgrounds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.